The Clarke CEP450 is a versatile and light in weight electric hand planer, ideal for a multitude of woodworking planing operations. With a 60mm width of cut, it is ideal for use when hanging doors, and 2 sizes of V-groove in the base plate assist when chamfering workpieces. The CEP450 can also create rebating cuts of up to 8mm depth when required. The 450-watt 230-volt motor spins the cutting drum at 16,000 RPM for a smooth finish to your planed workpieces, and the safety trigger prevents accidental starting. A dust extraction port is provided to the side of the tool, keeping the extraction hose well away from your work. The twin-hardened HSS cutting blades are reversible, and replacement blades are available from your local Clarke Stockist. A spanner is included, stored in the planer body to enable simple blade changing. Depth of cut is controlled by rotating the knob at the front of the tool, up to a maximum of 1.5mm per pass. At the rear of the sole plate is a safety kickstand, which will keep the blades clear of the surface when the planer is set down, protecting both your workpiece and the blades. It automatically flips up out of the way when performing a planing operation. So if you're looking for an electric hand planer for hanging doors or any simple wood planing job, the CEP450 is the tool for you.